Busy morning for him. It really is. I mean, we are talking snow totals from what, 1 to more than a foot.
Yeah, and specifically in Omaha, it could be 1 inch in Valley, 5-6 inches in Bellevue and Plattsmouth.
Wow.
So, heck of a morning. But again, down to our southeast, higher totals. And look at this right now. This is going to be this is what I've been trying to say all morning. There's going to be a huge difference between Douglas County and Sarpy County today. Look at the lighter blue across Douglas County. Light snow. Dark blue across all of Sarpy County, southwest Pottawatomie County, northwest Mills County, I-80 and I-29 around Lake Manawa, rough. I-80 Gretna to Ashland, rough right now. And you can see that it's drier off to our north. The back edge of the snow is just going to hang across the Omaha Metro for the next hour or two. We'll still feed in a little more moisture from the south and west. But look at this dark blue band, intense snow right now from southern Saunders County, Ceresco through Bellevue, back toward the Atlantic area. Rain changing to snow right now across parts of extreme southeast Nebraska, but it's still raining in Clarinda right now. And if you're watching from Clarinda, Creston, Shenandoah, and you're wondering, hey, where the heck is the snow? It's coming. Same with river communities in far southeast Nebraska from about Nebraska City through Falls City. Y'all are going to see the snow. Just be a little patient because the cold air is on its way in. The rain's going to change to snow for everyone as we go through the next couple of hours. And then this area of snow is slowly going to trudge down to the south and east as we go through the afternoon. Wind gusts. This is one of the reasons why there are blizzard warnings in effect, why we have a winter weather advisory in Omaha. Wind gusts between 35 and 45 miles an hour, and that stretch on I-80 between Lincoln and York. If you knew anyone who was planning on making that drive early this morning, I get that there's holiday travel. That's dangerous. Open areas, 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts with heavy snow, half-mile to quarter-mile visibility, locally probably lower inside of there. Dangerous conditions across parts of I-80 between Lincoln and York right now. And same goes along I-29. South of Omaha, it's going to be awful later on today. Visibility is still low across the metro area, quieter. Probably a little drier off to our north in Fremont and Blair right now. But here's the 10th Street Bridge in downtown Omaha. This is what you're going to be walking out to early this morning. It's snow covered. It's slick. 30 degrees. Wind sustained at 30 miles an hour, and it feels like 15, so it's going to be cold as well. Winter weather advisories. In these areas, don't go anywhere this morning. Blizzard warnings to our south in the orange. You're not going anywhere through this afternoon. Just hunker down, stay put. Look at the snowfall totals. There's going to be a sharp cutoff here in the metro. I mentioned that, where it's going to be about 1 inch in Valley and Fremont, 2 to 3 inches around the Interstate 80 corridor, 6 inches possible south side of Bellevue toward Plattsmouth, but then Beatrice, Nebraska City, 6 to 10 inches of snow, and locally, Falls City toward Clarinda, maybe Creston, 8 to 14 inches of snow, wherever these heavy snow bands set up going into the afternoon. So the back edge of the snow coming through Omaha probably around 9 or 10 o'clock at the latest, but still very heavy snow coming down off to our south and east. Should be done with any accumulating snow by about 10 o'clock here in Omaha. Temperatures upper 20s through the middle of the day. Snow quickly gets out of southwest Iowa and extreme southeast Nebraska heading into the middle of the afternoon. So Falls City, Clarinda, probably after about 4 or 5 o'clock. But remember, with these strong winds, blowing snow is going to be a big issue all the way through this afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures still in the upper 20s later on today. Lighter winds clearing out, so after about 10 o'clock tonight, roads might be a little better in those blizzard warning areas. Temperatures around 20 degrees by 10 o'clock, and then overnight, quiet, quite cold though, and anything that was wet will refreeze by tomorrow morning, so there still could be some isolated slick spots. We're dry. Monday and Tuesday, though, temperatures in the upper 20s to near 30. Could see some freezing drizzle on Wednesday, changing to snow showers overnight. I don't anticipate any accumulations there, but later on this week, another strong storm system, mostly rain, as we go into Friday night and Saturday.